Drake busting ass out here, bro. Pause. Like Drake, he going crazy. So it's like I can't. If Drake drop every year and like you could say that he wins every year he drops, how am I defending drops once every blue moon? Like does he have the same ability? I think he still has the same ability. I think that he's like still as good as he could possibly be, but we won't know if that shit is in the hard drive. So we got to go with what's going on now. Like I don't play fantasy. I don't play no fantasy sports, bro. I mean that literally and metaphorically. I don't play fantasy shit because it's like I'm more about like what it is right now as opposed to what I think it could be. That's what I'm about. It's like, okay, I think that Kendrick has four, maybe five undeniable bodies of work. Undeniable, like top to bottom, some of the best shit you heard, especially for that time. But he's taking so much time off. I can't say he's still better. I can't, like when him and Drake is like here and here as far as like putting out music, because I don't think that he makes better like records than Drake. I feel like he makes like better bodies of work, but like Drake is putting out like these massive hit records
every year.
I'ma just be like, nah, I can't do it.
Yeah.
And Drake don't like me. You know what I'm saying? But like, and that's cool. But like, I can't deny that. I don't even know him. But I love him as an artist.
Right.
I love him as an artist. But it's like, I can't keep saying, oh, he's better. And it's like, all right. So when the last time he did something? The f you want me to do, bro? Like I can't. I have no ammo. Like you know what I'm saying? Like
yeah.
you